Closing financial periods in subledgers and in the GL. We're going to review the process of closing financial periods in all the subledgers and in the general ledger at the same time. To complete this process, we'll first review the statuses of financial periods and then close them. To begin with, go to the Finance workspace and open the Company Financial Calendar form. In the Selection area, make sure the correct company name and financial year are selected. In the table, you can review the status of the financial periods you need to close. Notice that the status of the financial periods is open, both in the subledgers and in the GL. If any period was closed in the AR subledger previously, its status will appear as closed. Now to close these financial periods, go to the More menu and click the Close Periods option. The Manage Financial Periods form opens, with the Close action selected in the Selection area. In the table, select the unlabeled checkbox for the period you need to close. The checkboxes for the preceding periods automatically get selected. Click the Unposted Documents button to verify that no unposted documents exist for these periods. If a new window opens showing the unreleased documents, either release the documents or reassign them to another financial period. If a dialog box appears confirming that no unposted documents exist for the selected periods, click OK to proceed further. Now, click the Process button. The confirmation message informs you that the selected periods are closed in the subledgers and in the GL.